I don't know if anybody else does this, but we just made chicken and we're just eating it off the cutting board.
I do this all the time.
Like, we're not even sitting down and making a plate. We are animals. Good chicken though.
Mm-hmm. When you want this or this one?
We cut into all of them.
Just to make sure they're like all like cooked. Because you never know, right? Like, I cook chicken a lot and I knew, but like, you never know. So you gotta double check. But you want this one or this one?
I think I'm done enough for this.